Hello guys, welcome back, or welcome if you are new here. Today's video is packed with speed cleaning motivation to help you tackle your to-do list today. I've got a ton of ironing to do and lots of everyday chores, so I know that it will give you all the motivation that you need to tackle your to-do list as well. So do go ahead and subscribe, and also leave today's video a thumbs up, and let's just jump straight into it. Okay, so the first thing I wanted to do was just sort out the bedroom. So I'm just going to go ahead and make the bed and then sort out any washing and just put everything back where it belongs, just to get it nice and cozy, and take down any washing up that needs doing, just so I can get the bedroom all finished so I don't have to worry about coming back up here later, and then we can just carry on downstairs in the kitchen and tackle everything else. So the kitchen wasn't too bad on this day. I did manage to do the washing up before I went to bed, so I'm just going to pop that away. But there's always washing up left, because I don't know about you, but I'm always finding washing up all around the house in every room. So there's always cups and glasses that I find that need doing. So I'm just going to put all that washing up away, get the washing up done, and just clear off the sides so I can give them a good wipe over and a good clean, and yeah, just get it nice and fresh.
From my window, sun's coming up like the day before.
Okay, so I just feel like I'm moving paint supplies from room to room every day because I've got nowhere to put it. So the few bits that are on the kitchen side can just stay there because I've honestly got nowhere to move them to. The garage is such a mess, but we literally have no storage, so it's a little bit awkward to actually organise everything. I've got nowhere to put anything, so I'm just going to keep that there for now, because at least I know where it is and I can just grab it when I need it. But eventually I do want to have it a little bit more organised out in the garage, just to make my furniture flips and stuff a little bit easier. But for now it can just stay how it is, and I'm going to go in and wipe down all of the sides with the Cif spray, and then I'm going to go in and do the hob with the Cif cream, because I feel like it has been a little while since I've given that a good deep clean and a good old scrub. So I'm going to do that today, and then we can head through into the front room and carry on the mess that's in there.
You don't have to do one single thing. You don't know how much I want you. Just looking at you makes my whole world spin. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on, all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix
Okay, so it's now time to move into the front room, and it's always the same in here. I've just got to do a quick pickup and put all of the cushions and blankets back, put all of the rubbish in the bin, and just put it back to how it should be and make it nice and cozy. I wanted to get this done before doing the ironing, because if you've been here before, you know that I now do the ironing downstairs, and I just didn't want to have to do all of that in amongst all of this mess. So I wanted to go ahead and get this room done first. So I'm just going to go round and do a quick pickup before we can then tackle the mountain of ironing that I've got to get done.
We're talking to each other. I know we feel the same about the situation, like we're stuck inside a game. Time to get out of this circle. Yeah, we both carry a scar. Let's rewrite the part we're playing. Time to cherish who we are.
So my house desperately needs organising. I'm probably going to end up doing it in the next video because it's getting really bad. Literally every cupboard and every drawer is just a complete mess. But I'm just going to go ahead and empty this one out and put all of those headphones in the cupboard next to it. I'm not doing a whole clean out today. I just needed to get rid of those headphones so my laptop will fit in the cupboard, because I hate having it out on the sofa. It just makes it look really messy. So I wanted to get that put away. So I thought I would just drag it all out, put it in the cupboard next to it, and you know me, out of sight, out of mind, and I can figure that out a different day. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that, and then go in and do the dusting and hoovering and everything. But like I said, everywhere needs a good organise and declutter. So I think it's either going to be the next video or in the next few. I'm just going to be going around and really organising and just decluttering everything, getting rid of stuff that we don't really need, because honestly we do hang on to stuff all the time just in case we need it, even though we know for a fact that we're not going to ever need it. So I am going to try and get to that over the next few days.
Starts with us taking the chance, not like anything we've done before. Yeah. Now it's time for something better, and time for us to follow our dreams. No, we can't stay no more. Come run away, don't be afraid, we'll be okay. And I know it's the right thing to do, let's break away. All colors will fade. About time we let things go. Is this our destiny? Just like it was meant to be. Yeah. Come run away. Don't be afraid. We'll be okay. And I know it's the right thing to do. Let's break away.
Okay, so once I had everything nice and tidy, it was definitely time for a well-deserved coffee break, and I'm obsessed with these vanilla lattes. Rob found them the other day and picked them up, and they are just so good. So I'm going to go ahead and make one of these, and then we can tackle the ironing.
Right here, one or a few on there. Man, did you see me though? 'Cause I sure put on a show. I'm dancing on the tables, and I must say I got a taste for flipping out. I'm glancing at the haters, and I know they wish they did the shit I did tonight. You wanna break some things, alright? A good thing we are running out of sunlight. It's not necessary for these guys to know all about. Look, there's a bruise right here, one or a few on there. Man, did you see me though? 'Cause I sure put on the show. I'm dancing on the tables and I must say I got a taste for flipping out. I'm glancing at the haters and I know they wish they did the shit I did tonight. You wanna break some things, alright. All of the cups are out of sight. You wanna drink 'cause I can buy. You're dancing on the table, so am I. Did you see me though? 'Cause I sure put on a show. I'm dancing on the tables and I must say I got a taste for flipping out. I'm glancing at the haters and I know they wish they did the shit I did tonight. I'm dancing on the tables and I must say I got a taste for flipping out. I'm glancing at the haters and I know they wish they did the shit I did tonight. You wanna break some things, alright. All of the cups are out of sight. You wanna drink 'cause I can buy. You're dancing on the table, so am I. I was worried you broke my reputation, but I figured
It feels so good to finally have all of that done, and I really hope that you enjoyed it. I know a lot of you do enjoy the sped up ironing, so let me know down below if you got any ironing done yourself or if it's just motivated you to tackle your to-do list. I would love to know what you're up to today. Do go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already, and also leave today's video a thumbs up, and I will see you back here in the next one.